Good morning, class. How are you? I think you will be fine. There will be a way. There is a way. If your destination or ending is a constant, definitely you will get your success. You will achieve your success. Okay? With your chapter 4, simple equation to start. Today I am going to explain your exercise 4D. Question of first. Set up equation and then solve them to find the unknown number in the following cases. So cases are given here. First, second, part number B of the first question. Add 7 to 6 times a number, you get 73. This is a kind of a condition. Okay, and you will first let, because 6 times a number, this number is unknown. So first let this number, let the number be x. The number be x. Okay. So now, according to your question, 7 add 7 and who 6 times a number, 6 times a number. Say add 7 6 times a number, you get 73. Now solve this equation. 6x is equal to 73. Transpose plus 7 into RHS minus 7. Now 6x is equal to 73 minus 7 is 66. Then x is equal to 66. 6 will be transformed in denominator of RHS. 6 1 is 6, 6 11 is 66. Then you will get x is equal to 11. So now here you have a value of x, that is 11. So the number is 11. That is your answer. Okay. Let us have next part of the question number first. Question number 1, part number J. Father is 3 times son's age. Father is 3 times son's age, and the sum of their ages is 100. Find son's age. Okay. So here, first let son's age be x. Son's age is x. Now, father's age is father's age is 3 times son's age. It means 3x. If age of son is 3x, then father will be 3x. Now, according to condition. According to your question, the sum of their ages is 100. It means x plus 3x is equal to 100. Okay? Now solve it. X plus 3x means 4x is equal to 100. Then x is equal to 100 upon 4. Then x is equal to 4 4, 425 so 100. X is equal to 25. X is equal to 25, and here the son's age was son's age is x, and the value of x is 25. So son's age is equal to 25 years. That is your answer. Let us have next question. With your next question, B. Perimeter of a rectangular plot is 860 meter. Its length is 4 more than its breadth. Find length and breadth. Okay. So here length is depends upon its breadth. So let breadth of the plot is equal to x. The length of the plot is equal to 4 more than its breadth, means x plus 4 meter. Okay. Now perimeter of the rectangular plot is equal to 860 meter. So here sake of the plot is rectangular, it means you will use the formula of rectangular plot. So formula of rectangular plot means 2 in bracket L plus B, that is equal to 860. Okay. So now here 2 in bracket, length is x plus 4 plus breadth is x is equal to 860. Now 2 in bracket x plus x 2x plus 4 is equal to 860. Now transpose 2 in denominator of RHS, then 2x plus 4 is equal to 860 upon 2 divided, then you will get 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 jai 2 3 6 430. Okay. Then 2x is equal to 430 minus 4. Now 2x is equal to 430 minus 4 means 426. Now transpose 2, then x is equal to 430 upon 2. 430 upon 2, 426, sorry. 426 upon 2. Okay, then divided, the x is equal to 2 2s are 4 200, 2 3s are 6, means x is equal to 230. Okay, and here breadth of the plot is x meter, means so breadth of the plot is equal to x meter. X meter means 230 meter, and our length of the plot is equal to, length was 4 more than breadth, means 230 plus 4, it means 217 meter. That is your answer. Okay students, let us solve next question. Okay, next question, part number D. Divide 64 into 2 parts such that one part is 3 times the other. Okay, one part is 3 times the other. It means 64 is being divided in 2 parts. So let second part be x. Second part is x, then first part is 3 times, means 3x. Okay, suppose you have 10 rupees. Okay, and you have given 2 rupees to your younger brother and 8 rupees to your younger sister. Okay, then when you will add means 2 rupees and 8 rupees, then again you will get your 10 rupees. Similarly, 64 has divided in 2 parts, means these are 2 parts. When you will add these 2 parts, then again you will get your 64. So here, according to your question, when you will these two parts, is x and 3x, then sum of these parts would be 64 because these are the parts of 64. Okay. Now add them. X plus 3x means 4x is equal to 64. Then x is equal to 64 divided by 4. 1 is 4. 4 16 is 64. Then you will get x is equal to 16. Okay, x is equal to 16. It means so. Second part is x. Second part is x and value of x is 16. And first part is 3x means 3 into x. X means 16. Then you will get 48. So these are two parts, 16 and 48. These are answers. Let us solve next question. Next question, part number 3 after question number 2. R number when multiplied by 6 is increased by 45. Find the number. It means the difference between the number is 45. Okay. So R number. So what is the number? I don't know. So then let the number be x. Okay. And when it will be multiplied by 6. Okay. According to the question, when you will multiply by 6 in the number, when you multiply by 6, then it will be increased. By whom? Means the original number. Then this number will be increased by whom means 40 means original number, and how much? That is 45. Now, see here. When you will multiply a number by 46, then it will be increased by 45. Now solve this equation. 6x minus x is equal to 45. Then 6x minus x means 5x is equal to 45. Then x is equal to 45 upon 5. 5 under 5, 5 times 45. Then you will get x is equal to 9. Okay. So then the number, find the number. Then the number is x. The number is x. Then value of x is 9. So the number is equal to 9. That is your answer. So with this question, just I am going to wind up your exercise, and with this exercise, your chapter is being over. Okay. So in next video, I will come with you next chapter. So well done, be healthy and study hard. Thank you, class.